And guess what? There's a fox over here. And guess what? It's not real, it's fake. But Kylie decided that she had to go sniff its tail.
It's bottom. All right, so this is the first stop on our Finger Lakes
And
tour.
it's cold. It's chilly, I should
Supposed
say.
to be what tonight?
45.
Come on,
I think,
Kylie.
is that right?
45.
Is it 45 or 54?
40, low 40s.
Come on, Kylie.
Supposed to get frost tonight. So we're in Hammondsport, voted #1 small town in the U.S. We're in New York. #1 small town in the U.S. in 2012 by Condis Day Traveler.
Are you serious?
No, I'm serious, but I don't know if that's the name of the book. But anyway, it was. So I'm going to turn this around and show you a little bit about Hammondsport. Cayuga Lake, and I probably am saying that wrong. Melanie said...
I mean, I think it's crazy that it's called Hammond's Port. And whenever you first told me to look it up on GPS, I typed in Hammond's Sport.
Ham and sport. Ham and sport. Like ham and eggs?
No, I typed in Hammond's
Sport.
and then Sport. And I thought, why would somebody name a place Hammond Sport? Really? What did you do?
Crooked Lake Ice Cream Parlor. The center town square. Village Tavern is right down there.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Crooked Lake. Oh, that's a cool picture. I think they're trying to run away from me. Watkins Glen State Park in New York. Tons and tons of waterfalls. We're at the base of Seneca Lake in the little town of Watkins Glen, where next week's going to be the NASCAR race.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Watkins Glen NASCAR. So the first part of this, we're in a cave.
So this is awesome. It's beautiful. It kind of reminds us a little bit of Colorado.
Yeah.
And a little bit of Glacier. Well, what'd you think, Glacier? A couple of the waterfalls remind us of it.
Yeah, but it's a slot canyon in New York State, upper New York.
If you've not been here, you need to come.
Yeah, this is definite. I almost had a catastrophe.
Okay, let's just stop here for just a second so we can tell you what happened. So, Shane decides
I'm gonna be a kid.
that he's going to be a kid, and he's like, I'm going to stand on that rock in the creek. And the next thing I know,
I fell in.
he fell in. His pants are completely soaked. So I then said, Shane,
what are you doing?
well, I did say, what are you doing? Because he falls in the creek. And then I said, after we're walking on the trail.
Then you said, are you stupid? That's
I
slick.
did not say stupid. So then we're walking back on the trail. We're hiking. And I look at him and I said, where's your sunglasses? Because his sunglasses were supposed to be on his hat like mine.
Like $200 sunglasses.
So we just bought these sunglasses when we were in Maine. The Oakley place. And he was like, oh my gosh. So here he goes back. I'm looking in the creek thinking that they're like these white. They're going to be easy to spot. Well, needless to say, he had on the gray ones, which is very hard to see in the water. So we probably looked for 20 minutes, started talking to this man that just came up like, what are you all doing? Shane said, I lost some sunglasses. And then, thank the good Lord above, I looked down and there's his sunglasses.
Found them.
So not only did I spot that he didn't have them on, but then I found them too.
So we're in Watkins Glen, and it is on the tip of Seneca Lake in the Finger Lakes area. We just did the Gorge Trail. What's your overall thoughts on this one?
It's something to see. Just
Beautiful.
because it's not man-made, it's God-made. And it's beautiful to see that something was created like this.
It's unreal. It reminds me of the Slot Canyon in Ouray, Colorado, or like Melanie said, on our hike to...
Was it Slot Cave or Box Cave?
Box Canyon, that's Box Canyon. Yeah, yes. Box Canyon, Ouray. Or the hike to the lake in Glacier that we did.
Yeah. To get in this park, it's $10. I mean, was it 10 a person?
$10.
So basically $5 a person.
You just paid a park.
Yeah, it was awesome. And then the hardest part of this trail too is just there's tons and tons of steps. Mm-hmm. But there's lots of places that you can go. Excuse me.
Dinner bell.
That's a boat. So anyways, what I was saying, there is lots of stairs, but you can do it. Get your mind to it.
19 waterfalls.
19 waterfalls? Really?
19 waterfalls.
So we've seen 19? Wow. Okay. Whoa. That's what you said.
So what do you think about this? So now we're in Montour Falls. I think I'm pronouncing these names right. I have no clue. So we ate at Gerlando Pizzeria. Is that right?
Oh, yes.
I don't know. It was good. We had it was in downtown Montour Falls. We had a small garlic sauce, mushroom, black olive, and pepperoni and spinach. It was good. Now we're at Chiquagua Falls.
Eagle Cliff Falls today.
All right, so we were at Eagle Cliff Falls.
Man, it was beautiful.
Beautiful. Short hike, maybe a quarter,
Like, yeah, a tenth.
Of a mile.
Yeah.
But it was very pretty, easy to get to. Definitely recommend it if you're coming to see Montour Falls, because you're like 2 minutes away. I think it's called Watkins Glen Park. $3 to park the car. So remember to bring cash. Alright, now we're at Hector Falls. Oh, Hector Falls. So we are in the town of... Why?
Because Kylie, she freaks out when we say that word. Because she thinks that she's got to take one.
This is a beautiful little center of the town. We're having a car show over here to the side. We'll walk over there shortly. We want to go over here and look at this church.